Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we'll be implementing email and password sign-in. So let's quickly go ahead and have a look at how we can do that. So right now I'm in the app component section, and let me just call in or create a method named sign in, and this is going to be something similar like this method that we had created for sign up. And instead of calling the create user with email and password method, we will call sign in with email and password, and that's it. Now for this part I'll simply be replacing the method name as well as the button text over here. So sign in, and let's quickly go back to the application and see how this works. So now I can sign in from this section. The previous link that the previous email that I used was email10@example.com, and the password was this that I'm typing in. And if I click on sign in, then it should sign me in like so. If I log out and let me just use some other email that was not registered, let me just click on sign in once, and we'll be getting an error saying that there is no user record corresponding to this identifier. The user may have been deleted. Okay, so handling an error is not a part of this course that we would be seeing, but yeah, once the user is signed up or created, then we can definitely sign that user in with the credentials that we used at the time of registering or signing the user up. So that was it. In this section, let's also quickly see how we can toggle between the login and the sign up states. So I'll be creating a variable here for the same purpose that determines the mode. So sign in mode, by default this would be false, and based on this we will be making the sign in or sign up requests. So to do that, I'll create a new method named sign in or sign up, and then here we will be checking whether the mode is sign in. If the mode is sign in, then we are going to sign the user in with these credentials. Else we are going to create a new user with these credentials. Okay, and now let's save this, and to toggle this we would be, instead of calling sign in, we would be calling sign in or sign up, and we will change this according to the variable. So the name of this variable is sign in mode. So if the mode is on, then the text should be sign in, else it should be sign up. And now we will be toggling this mode on the click of the button. So toggle sign in mode, and this would simply toggle the sign in mode like so. And let's see why we are getting an error. So the value true is not assignable to the value false. Let's oh sorry, this should be boolean here with a default value of false. That's what I meant. And if we are already assigning a boolean to it, then we don't really need to give it a type. Okay, one final thing that we would be doing is inside the first column with this particular case, we will handle the click event of it, and then we will be calling the toggle sign in mode, and then we will also change this text accordingly. So if there is sign in mode, then the user should see sign up, else the user should see sign in. Let's go back and check how it looks like now. Okay, so right now I'm seeing sign in with email and password. Let's add some space here. Okay, so right now I'm seeing sign in with email and password, and I'm seeing sign up here. If I click on this, then this should turn to sign in, and this should turn to sign up with email and password, and accordingly it would also work. So right now I'm in the sign in mode, so email 10@example.com would work, and that should after signing in should take me to this page. If I log out, and if I'm on the sign up mode, and if I click on sign up, then it should give me an error saying that this email address is already taken, so we cannot really sign in or sign up with a duplicate email address. If I change this to say 12 though, and if I sign up now, then I should be able to sign in properly, like so. Okay, so that was it regarding signing the user in with email address and password, and how we can toggle these two states. In the next video we will be talking about logging the user in with phone. So I'll see you guys in there.